Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to execute covered calls on Robinhood. We'll start by understanding what a covered call is and why investors use them. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your Robinhood account for options trading. Finally, we'll walk through placing your first covered call order to start generating income from your stocks. Before you can sell covered calls, you need to enable options trading on Robinhood. First, make sure you own at least 100 shares of the stock you wish to write calls against. Next, navigate to the Investing section in your Robinhood app and apply for options trading. Robinhood will review your application to ensure you meet their eligibility requirements, which usually takes a short time. Once approved, placing a covered call is simple. From the stock's detail page, tap the Trade button and then select Trade Options. You'll then choose Sell Call. Now, select your desired strike price and expiration date. The app will show you the premium you'll receive. Review all the details carefully before swiping up to submit your order. While covered calls can generate income, it's crucial to understand the risks. If the stock price goes above your strike price, your shares will likely be called away, meaning you sell them. This limits your upside profit. Also, remember that you still bear the risk of the stock price falling. Always assess your comfort level with these potential outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.